How to create Illuminati Thinking Meme Effect in Premiere Pro. Move the playhead to the position you want the effect to start happening. Here I drag this green screen video into the second track. I downloaded this video from YouTube, and it has no copyright. Hold down the Alt key and click on the audio to select only the audio and delete it. Now select the video and increase its scale to fill the entire frame. In the Effects panel, search for key and drag the Ultra key effect into the video. Select the eyedropper and click on a green color to remove them. I also downloaded this Illuminati sound and I bring it into my timeline. Pay attention that this song has copyrights and we can only use 3 or 4 seconds of it, so I remove the rest of it. If you want to increase the speed of the text showing on the screen, select the clip, press ctrl+R, and increase the speed. And delete the rest of the clip. Now search for dissolve and add film dissolve effect to the start and end of the clip. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.